The Shorts camera app has been rolled out to all US creators. You can now create Shorts videos up to 60 seconds in length. The beauty of creating a 15 to 60 second Shorts video on your phone is that you can create a Shorts video while you're out and about and not tethered to your computer. Let me show you how to make a Shorts video on your phone. Subscribe and click the bell notification icon if you want to be notified about how to generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot from YouTube.
Tap the YouTube app, tap the plus icon, tap create a short. Now I'm ready to create a short. I can create a short that is 15 seconds long or even up to 60 seconds long. Here it says 15 seconds, but if I tap it, I can choose 60 seconds. I'm going to choose 60 seconds for this one.
Let me know in the comments below if you've currently got the YouTube Shorts camera app on your phone.
I can also add music from YouTube's music library, but just keep in mind it's limited to 15 seconds. All I have to do is just tap add music. I can browse or I can choose favorites as well. Or you can do a search for different types of music. I can also flip the screen, so I can flip it to my computer. I can choose a speed, so I can do 3 times, half time, 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times. I can also do a timer, so I can drag to change where the recording will stop. So now I've got it 60 seconds, but I can change it to like 23 seconds or 60, whatever. I've also got filters, so just tap filters. And you've got all these different filters that you can use for your video. I'm going to stick with normal for right now. So if I want to record a video, just tap the red button, or if I'm in the timer, I can just tap the start button. I'm going to tap the red button. Now I'm recording a Shorts video, and now I'm going to stop. So I tap the red button again to stop. Now I can undo it. I can redo it. Now I'm going to tap done. Now I can preview my Shorts video. I can add music to it. So I can browse music, search for music, etc. I can add text to it as well if I want. I can enlarge the text. I can move the text from the left to the right or the middle. I can switch to classic, light. I can also add different colors. And I can also add emojis. So I have all these different frequently used stickers, smileys and people. If I don't like all that, I just tap the X. When I'm happy with the video, I just tap done. And tap the timeline, play the video, tap done. Now I can tap next. Now I've just got to optimize my Shorts video just like a regular video by adding the title, choosing privacy settings. No, it's not made for kids or made for kids. This is going to be a test. And I'm going to leave it as unlisted, and no, it's not made for kids. Now I'm just going to tap upload. It's uploading video. Now I'm going to check the library, check my videos, and here's my Shorts video. And if I want to watch the next video, I just swipe up. When you optimize your Shorts video, place the hashtag Shorts in the title as well.
When creating a short using YouTube's short form video creation tool, you can record multiple clips that add up to the 60 seconds. What if you don't have the Shorts camera app on your phone and you want to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your PC? Can you do that? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now on how to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your PC.